This video will be useful for magicians, but I'm not giving away your secret. I'm giving away mine so that you can use it in your own presentation. These toys, these figures look very random to you, and that is very convincingly random. If you just take them out, the spectator would just say there are a bunch of these figures, and they can't really tell that you are actually memorizing all of them. You have memorized the pattern of all of these. Why should you remember that? Why should you memorize that? Well, if you can figure that out, this will be useful to you. If you really don't know and you want to find out, just send me a DM, then I will let you know if you can't figure out what I'm talking about. So you actually know that there are 8 of them and which one is associated with which number. For example, I would say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. How do I know? Because they are there's a pattern within them. Okay, you can't get these from me because these are very old toys. You can go to the toy shop or use any daily object, then assign a number to them, then they will be useful to you. If I place it like this and ask the spectator to choose one and put the rest back into this, chances are they think this is just one of the random choices that they can have. Yes, that is a random choice, but you can recognize the number instantly. For example, you think about the color scheme: yellow, red, green, and blue, and then you classify them. Do you see the red ones here? So I put the red ones here, yellow one here, green here, and blue here. The rest of these, this one looks blue to me, and it's actually very nice that they are not exactly the same kind of blue. And this one is a little bit green. You can put that here. This one, well, it's brown, but in Chinese, in our language, we call this yellow cattle. So I'll say this is yellow. You can play with words and just help yourself to memorize them. You can now see that they are in 4 pairs: yellow, red, green, and blue. And these are very easily drawn on a piece of paper or an app. And on the left hand side, you can see they are very round or fluffy, and on the right hand side, this column, they are more edgy. So this is how I memorize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You actually don't have to go for colors, numbers. You can just place that here and then you revise it by the position that they have. Alright, so if this video is useful to you, please subscribe, and if it is trash to you, probably you are not a magician, and if you really want to find out, just send me a DM or leave me a message, whatever. Hope you like this and check out my other videos. See you.